Tucson, I'm Sophie and this is Strong Sound. Guess what happened this week? Karima Walker's album, Hands in Our Names, got a beautiful review on Pitchfork. I quote, "One of the record's best moments is the narco-drone folk of St. Ignacio. Walker starts by approximating the snowbound gloom of the cranky stable, but her dedication to emotional openness and wonderfully lightheaded vocal runs lends an unusual lushness to the proceedings. The track flowers as it goes into unexpected ways, and the feelings something like stumbling upon a jungle in the Arctic or a beach on the moon. Karima started making music over 5 years ago, and I always knew her as a woman with an unearthly beautiful voice. But it goes way beyond that. As one of Tucson's hardest working musicians and as a human with great vision that goes beyond just sound or songwriting, Karima has morphed into a composer and an innovator. She's an artist who puts in equal amounts of work into the details as she does into the big picture. Karima's on tour right now until the 28th of April, but be sure to congratulate her when she returns and support her so she can keep making the magical sounds you've never heard before by buying her album out on June 30th. Oh, more good news. After successfully crowdsourcing the funding for a full-length album, June West is in the recording studio working on just that. June is originally from Montana, but she has strong ties to the Sonoran Desert that come through in her delicate, hazy Western sound. Her music and her life intertwine and converse and inform one another. From her website, June is a musician, artist, and rambler, composing her own understanding of what it means to live a good life. There is intention behind her vision. She's also playing a show Sunday night at Congress hosted by WTFAF. WTFAF exists for women, trans, and femme creators to claim space within the patriarchal world of entertainment. This month, they're organizing a fundraiser for the Tucson Abortion Support Collective. Check them out every Sunday, shining light on different groups of creative women, oftentimes at Club Congress. What else? Let's see. Visual art and music are married in Lano Terezas, formerly half of the band Mellow Bello, now going solo. Lano is an entirely self-taught creative musician. Her music is electronic and ethereal. It's transportive. Her performances often include a visual element, from projections to light installations. Lano is also the driving force behind last year's Chick Magnet Festival, which showcased art and music from Tucson's community of female artists. Lano seems to embody the philosophy where you don't see it, make it. She created a community of female artists where she saw none, and it gave rise to many other events of its kind. She's also one of the few musicians in Tucson making music that verges on performance art, with attention to visuals and stagecraft. Check this out. Last but not least, Caterwaul is back. After nearly a year in band hibernation, Brittany Catter's soulful vocals and Take No Prisoners live presence make her an unmissable frontwoman. She's backed by Laura Hurley on bass, Jeff Lounsbury on lead guitar, and Ben Schneider on drums. Catter took some time off from Caterwaul to tour Europe, playing bass with Marianne Dessard. But now she's back and she's ready to rumble. Their next show is at 191 Tool on April 24th, opening for Taco Cat with Fox Bodies. And while we're on the subject, Taco Cat is awesome. Check out the Seattle band for some feminist grunge. These women are innovators, way beyond music. Their influence is more important than the local music scene. It extends to the social fabric of this city. By supporting them and following their lead, every artist can help propel this arts community forward and up. Support local music, buy an album, go to a show, and bring a friend. For now, I'll leave you with the magnificent video from the track 15 Forever off Caterwaul's album of the same name. I'll see you later, Tucson.